Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a budget cube and a cheap cube and show you the differences between them. So in the left hand I have the Yuxin cube, which is very popular company, and this is very cheap cube from them, and I am using it from 3 years, and you can see that the colors are now almost gone. And I have buy a new cube, and this is the QY speed cube. So let's see how is it. First of all, unbox it. Okay, we have a manual in the hand, which we don't need now, and this is the cube. And look at the color. This is very shiny, and though these are stickers, these are very good stickers. So first let's see the size of these two cube. If I say the size, then this is a little bit smaller. If I show you from this side, then maybe very little, but this is a little smaller and little good looking, though this is old. Okay, so now after color, after size, let's see their cutting corner, and let's see what they can do. So first of all, let's start with the cheap cube. About 15 degree, this is okay. 30 degree is okay. More than 30 degree, if I go to 45 degree, then this is not possible at this price. But if I fine tune it, then I have tuned it before, and I have seen that this can go more than this can go 40 if I very long, but this became very loose at that time. And if I see this, I don't have done anything to it. So let's see, 15 degree, it's okay, very smooth, too much smooth. 30 degree, okay, maybe first time, so a little lock up. Let's try it again. Okay, this time faster, more than, okay, this is can go. On 45 degree is not possible at this price, but if I fine tune it, then I hope that this can go at least this much further. Okay, let's see what about the right hand side. Okay, this is very smooth. If I compare it with this, then okay, the problem is that this is very problematic, and when I face it, I don't like it. Okay, well, this is because this is a old cube. Let's do some more times. Okay, now it's solved. If I see the back layer first of this, okay, this has many lockups because it's old and maybe it's expired now. Okay, now this is left hand side. Okay, very smooth, too much smooth. Wow, very faster. Now if I go to U, if I go only U, this is very smooth. Okay, if I do dual times U2, okay, very fast. On the other hand, this is okay, this is has some lockup. And if I go to middle, like M prime, M prime, M prime, M prime, and this M prime, okay, very fast. Okay, if I go to M2, let me try it. Okay, very smooth. This M prime is okay, this is very lockup, so I don't need to test it. This is fail in this case. Now for the down layer, okay, this can rotate very fast, too much fast, but this one, this we can identify this is a little bit slower. And let's have some smoothing test, but before that, let's see what's inside it. just open it, we can see that it has a screw and there is a broken side. It is old and I have many times fine-tuned it, so this is working a little bit faster but not that much. And we can see that it has some many scratch on it, and this is the logo and this is the square. And let's see what we have there. Let me open it. Let me just try it. Okay. Okay, I just drop it. Okay, very smoothly it's come out. This is my first time opening it. Wow, this is very better and shiny. Now I don't know what is showing on camera, but this is very shiny when I have it on my hand. Very shiny. And this screw is also, and if I look in the corner, then we have some black. This black this thing is very smooth. This is very smooth. Okay, so now let's have some practical examples. Like if I try to do something, okay, first of all let me try to do something on this. Okay, so yes, now we have seen it, but let's see how much faster it is. Okay, faster, this wins. So if I try to do something like okay, so let's see how much time it could take. Okay, wait a second, let me just set it to its position, and now let's try it. Okay, so okay, very fast. This has done something very fast. I am very friendly with it and I like it, and this has many lockups. Now you can see that this 40 taka versus 100, this has many difference. We can see his colors, we can see his style, we can see his dancing moves. This is very awesome. And for those who just want to learn it just for having some fun and don't have many budget for it, then I will choose this one. This will give you a long-term service, and I just buy it, so I can't say how much good it is, but I have used it, and this is very friendly, and this is very shiny, very good looking. And those who want to go to intermediate or more further in cubing, I will recommend this for very cheap starting. And if you have budget, then you can buy more further cubes, like we have Moyo RSM 2020. This is a very good cube, and you can for learning and for beginners I will recommend it, because this is very fast. And at the end of this video, thank you for watching and goodbye.